Hello Chattahoochee Tech students. Today I'm going to show you how to use Okta Single Sign-On to access important applications at the college. In order to get started, please check your email for your student email address and password coming from our CTC Technology Department. It would have been sent to the email address you entered on your online admissions application. Please be sure to use this information to get started. If you do not have an email from CTC Technology, please navigate to the chattahoocheetech.edu help desk website and submit a student help desk request form. I will be demonstrating this process on my computer. However, this procedure is the same no matter which internet-connected device you decide to use. First, open chattahoocheetech.okta.com on your web browser. You will be prompted to log in. Use your college username and password to gain access to applications such as Bannerweb, Blackboard, and email. The first time you log into Okta, you may be prompted to change your password. Just make sure your new password fulfills Okta's password requirements. Next, you will be required to provide a security question. You can also choose to use the free Okta Verify app for account verification on both iOS and Android devices. After the initial setup, you will be taken to the Okta dashboard. From here, you can update your profile, including phone number and security questions via Okta settings. Each time you log into Okta, you will enter your college username and password, and if prompted, complete the verification process using a verification prompt on the Okta Verify app. And that's it. You have now created your account and know how to log into Okta. For additional support, visit the Okta authentication page on the Chattahoochee Tech website. Thanks for watching.